Hello guys, Heckins here today, and I'm going to be showing you how to create your own pause menu for Unity. In C Sharp, because they don't support JavaScript anymore. So I've already have a script made, and it took a while to make, but I got it working. Um, so what you need to do is, you need to create your game objects that you're going to use. I have all these, and I'll show you what they do in a bit. So you want to create, you want to create these or you need you need to create a game object in the C, or, right. So you get a public game object, right, and you call it whatever you want. And you're going to assign game objects to the, public game objects in here. It's kind of confusing right now, but I'll show you eventually. And then you need to create a public bool, and I called mine pause, and you need it to equals false. So you need so you put this into the void start, the panel, UI text, options, quit to set active false. You don't want them showing up when you don't want it to, and then paused equals false. And then in the void update, or you could create your own void, but I just used the update because it was easier. You create if input dot get button down pause. Here's the thing. The button pause is let me show you. You go to edit project settings input, and you can see that I have pause and unpause. You need to call it whatever you need to create a new input. So you go to edit, project settings, input, and then you change the size. It's usually 18, but I changed mine to 21 for the new things. And you need to assign the pause to escape because that's the most common button. And then you can set your unpause button to whatever, but you can't have it the same as pause, otherwise it won't work. It'll automatically just close the script. Um so yeah, and then you put these in the in the if statement here, and you want to set pause to true. You want to set anything that was false here to true here. And then you set time scale equals 0.0f. Um, you can, what it does is it freezes the game, right? So it has that pause menu feel, because what pause menu doesn't freeze the game? It doesn't pause the game. Um, and then, oopsies, I accidentally hit my keyboard. So yeah, and then in the same void update, you create another if command outside of this one. So you create, oh crap, what did I just do? Alright. So you create another if command, if input.get button down unpause. As you see here, we have an unpause. If you don't have that set, then it'll just give you an error and your pause menu won't work. And then you set everything to false, and then the time scale to 1. And let me do something. You want to put it onto the your character that you're using, otherwise it won't work. If you put it on an empty game object, it's not gonna work. And then you assign, you see you have the UI, panel, options. So you need game objects, right? So you have the options, the text, or that's a different one. And then the UI text, the panel. It's all set to that. Because if you go here, you see menu text. It's right there, and it's put there. Menu panel. That's this right here. The options right here, and the quit right there. And let me show you how it works. So, oh, it's not there, right?
Hey, don't touch me.
You press that. There's options, and then you can create your own menu. And then you press, and then you do that. And boom.
Hey, don't touch me.
You got yourself your own pause menu. And it was only a 5-minute tutorial. Ignore that error. It's something else. I don't know. But I usually get that.
Hey, don't
So yeah,
touch me.
this was Hickens here showing you how to make your own pause menu in C#. If you're confused, just say something in the comments and I'll try to help you. But if your code is completely broken, then I'm not gonna help you. But yeah, don't copy the code, alright? You don't learn that way. You wanna make it yourself, alright? You wanna do it yourself. But if you're just copying code, then have fun getting a job and looking on Google the certain thing that you need to do. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.